Nevada has one of the lowest rankings in the country when it comes to our number of doctors. But now the Valley does have 3 medical schools and a promising supply of physicians. So we're making progress. But there's still one issue holding us back.
Dr. Taylor Vickery, hooded by preceptor Dr. Travis Snyder.
This spring, hundreds of medical students from across southern Nevada walked the stage to become doctors. The key now is getting them to do their graduate work here. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, states have on average 272 doctors per 100,000 residents. But in Nevada, that number falls to just 198.
I think when you look at the number of physicians per capita, we rank about 48th.
Putting us near the bottom and making it tough to find a physician. Dr. Mark Kahn is Dean of the Kirk-Kerkorian School of Medicine at UNLV.
Nevada has kind of been a victim of its own success as it's become a more popular place to live. It's grown, but the healthcare sector hasn't grown proportionally.
For years, Nevadans have complained of how tough it is to find a doctor, see a specialist, and endless hours in a waiting room.
Every doctor counts because it's very difficult to recruit physicians.
Kahn and Gilliar, the dean at Touro University, agree. These newly minted doctors are an important first step, but the next one might be even more important.
Dr. Jennifer Onaga.
Out of the 2021 class, roughly a third will do their graduate work here in Nevada through a residency or fellowship. That number is critical to climbing out of a decades-long doctor shortage.
The numbers bear out that over 75% of residents, wherever they train, stay in the area.
I already had roots here, have been part of the community since high school. Being from Nevada originally, and having the opportunity to come to Las Vegas was really unique.
Both Dr. Guetta and Dr. McClintock graduated this month and have local residencies already lined up. Trouble is, not all specialties are offered here.
Urology, neurosurgery, dermatology, radiation oncology, medical oncology.
Forcing some physicians to leave.
If you have students who would like to get to residency in town and therefore they stay more, we can really improve the doctor shortage.
The city of Las Vegas is expanding its medical district, and construction of the fully accredited UNLV School of Medicine is well underway. But it's a long road to solving our shortage.
There are great doctors out here. There's good medicine being practiced. It's just there's only so many of them.
So what are your options if you can't get in to see a doctor or a specialist? More people are turning to concierge medicine. Full access to your doctor, you get their mobile number. Sounds expensive, right? Well, it might not be as pricey as you think. Plus, most of them do take health insurance. So we'll dig into that coming up tonight at 11 o'clock.